In this tutorial, I'll be going over the Biohazard Team Member Attestation form, where you can access it, as well as when and how you should complete and submit an attestation form. Once a Biohazard Permit application has been approved, the project team members listed on the application will receive an email instructing them to complete and submit the Biohazard Team Member Attestation within 10 business days. You can access the Biohazard Team Member Attestation form at any time by clicking either Applications Submitted Post-Review or My Reminders under Role Project Team Member, and then clicking on the Events button next to the Biohazard permit you need to submit an attestation form for. There are currently 4 event forms available in the TRAQ Biohazard module. These are the Biohazard Amendment Form, the Biohazard PI Attestation, the Biohazard Renewal Form, and the Biohazard Team Member Attestation. The Biohazard Team Member Attestation is the only form that must be submitted by the project team members. All other biohazard event forms must be submitted by the principal investigator. Every lab team member listed on a new Biohazard Permit application or reapplication, or new lab team members added to an existing permit via a Biohazard Amendment Form must complete and submit a Biohazard Team Member Attestation. As a team member, you will need to log into your individual researcher's portal to complete the form. Forms completed and submitted on behalf of another lab team member will not be accepted. Event forms are short and simple to complete and submit. Make sure you answer all the required questions on the form. Required questions have a red asterisk beside them. To open a Biohazard Team Member Attestation form, simply click on the hyperlinked form. The Event Info tab is not a required tab. You can use the text box to add any comments you would like to pass along to the reviewers. Remember to hit that Save button each time you complete a tab. You'll know that you have saved your form when you see the message Event Form Saved appear in green font at the top of the screen. The Attestation tab contains 17 questions. Depending on your answers, some questions will require you to attach specific documents to your form using the Attachments tab. Please make sure you read each question carefully and complete the form properly to avoid any delays in getting your form approved. You can attach documents to your attestation through the Attachments tab. The system accepts a wide variety of document formats, such as Word files, spreadsheets, JPEG files, or PDFs. You may upload multiple attachments to your event form, provided that each document is no larger than 5 megabytes. If you can still see the Errors tab, then you have left some required questions unanswered. Check the Errors tab to see which question you skipped. Once all questions have been answered and the Errors tab has disappeared, you may submit your event form simply by clicking the Submit button. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. Please watch our video on submitting and tracking the status of your biohazard event forms. Please contact the TRAQ Help Desk if you have any problems accessing or submitting event forms. If you have biohazard-specific questions, please contact Sheila Mirsky, University Biosafety Officer.